Hello, everybody. Our work this week is in folder week 7, right here. And in this presentation, I continue using Microsoft Visual Studio Community Edition for my Python source editor, and also a command window to run my programs. So I should probably change my current directory to week 7 so I can copy this directly from this address bar in my file manager and change directory to this place right here. Okay, so I should be ready to run my programs anytime. So first, let's take a look inside homework week 7.py. Okay, and the topics are related to book chapter 8, dedicated to using lists in Python programs. So no new programming project this week. Okay, so that's nothing new. Instead, please complete any previous outstanding homework projects. And our YouTube video sequencing is in this section aligned with the book chapter 8 Python lists. So please watch the material in videos numbered 8, 1, 2, 3, and so forth.